my mommy now because it's inspired by her. Hi guys, how are you doing? It's morning over here, and I know it's been a minute because I usually post like 3 to 4 videos a week, but I have been busy. So today, as you can see, I'm in the kitchen. We're gonna be doing a requested video. Somebody asked for Mandazi video. I hope you can see you meant Mahamri, because that is what I usually make often. So I'm gonna be making Mahamri, and I'm not so perfect in Mahamri, but I'm not sure if you use baking powder or yeast. I think it's yeast, because if it's baking powder, then it's gonna be half cake. So I don't want to waste your time. Let's get to the video. So I have all the ingredients here for our Mahamri, and I have white sugar here. You can use any sugar. I have brown sugar here. It's hard like a rock. I have all-purpose flour. I have the sonon dye. I have this yeast. I have salt, as you can see. I have baking powder. And I have the cardamom in English, yeah. And this, you must have this. It's so full, coconut milk. So let's get started. I also add little oil because I saw that if you want your Mahamri to stay fresh, you must add some oil when you're kneading your dough, otherwise they're gonna crack or they're gonna be hard. So yeah, and for watu wa Mombasani ama my Muslim ladies, sababu mnajua sana, you can tell me where I went wrong, because I learned this from my neighbor. So let's get started. So first, I really am I'm not sure what I'm doing today. I'm just putting this brown sugar and hot sugar. As I told you guys, this finished brown sugar, it's usually wet. I don't know why. And we're gonna use little white sugar. And then I'm gonna add yeast. Then I'm not sure about the baking powder, so I will not use baking powder, because I think if I use baking powder, it's gonna turn out like half cake, and we don't want half cake now. And this is the cardamom, so you have to be generous, because this one is the one that makes the Mahamri be Mahamri, like it adds that taste, you know. So we're gonna whisk this well. Put the salt right now, because you know the salt kills the yeast. So I'm gonna put that later. So next I'm gonna add my milk, coconut milk. That's it for a little bit, for about 5 minutes. As I wait for our 5 minutes, wait a minute, let me have. So As you can see, this is my boiling water. I want to prepare some tea for our mahamri, to eat with our mahamri. So this is pilau masala. I'm gonna put some there, and I have some whole cloves or cloves. I'm gonna use a few here. If Leila and Stephanie Wanja, let's see if you guys are watching this, you should know I learned this from your mama. Yeah, even making mahamri. So shout out to Mama Amina na mumsalimie. And then I'm gonna need sugar. I'm not taking my tea with milk, so I always use Fahari ya Kenya. This is my Fahari ya Kenya here. Oh, it finished so fast. So I'm gonna put like that. Then we're gonna let it boil, and then we're gonna simmer. I'm not sure if 5 minutes is over, but all I know is that our yeast is nicely working. So I'm gonna put some little oil here. Flour here. As you guys can see, I am eyeballing, you know. I don't have specific measurements for my cooking. No, we don't need this. I think this is approximately 1.5 cup. And when I say cup, you see, it's not so big, or it's normal. I mean this size. So your mahamri dough, my tea is boiling fast now. Your mahamri dough is totally different from your chapati dough. My tea, it's boiling. So now, because it's ready, we're gonna let it simmer. I'm gonna put just like kamoja one, and then it's gonna cook in low heat. The darker the better. So here is our dough. I hope I didn't forget anything. Make sure your hands is clean. I forgot to put salt because, as I said, I didn't want to put when the yeast was rising, because salt kills the yeast. So I'm gonna add before I have mixed my dough so well, just little, like to neutralize the taste. Yeah. But see, soft like chapati dough. I am back, guys, as you can see. So now it's time to fry our mahamri. You're gonna need a clean bowl where we're gonna place them, and paper towel. We're gonna need a paper towel. So for soaking the oil. I know my videos are a little bit long because I want you guys to understand, like, this is not too hot, otherwise it's gonna burn. Because I want you guys to understand step by step. Now, our mahamri, you can see guys, they're medium, not too thick and not too slim. That's what I wanted. They have raisin, yeah? Hiyo ni kufufuka. So gonna start by, our oil is too hot. It shouldn't be this hot. It was too hot and they started burning. Let me stop. Third attempt. Those ones, they turned out well, but it was still hot. So I think this is better. If you're using the same cooker, you should use at least 4. Yeah, so now they are slowly cooking because you want to cook them inside still, not just brown outside and inside they are not well cooked. So I don't know why they're not raising. Oh yeah, they are. Yeah, this is what I wanted. So once they raise so well, I turn them. Oh my god, can you guys see that brown color? You're gonna cook like 2 minutes or so. Some people prefer when it's this color. I think this color is also best for me, but we can also brown a little bit. Like this little bit darker. Ooh, they are so perfect. So I don't have that Mandazi scoop, so I'm going to use this to scoop them out. We're going to repeat the same process. Guys, when I was making my tea, I said pilau masala. I meant tea masala, yeah? Not pilau masala. Don't put your pilau masala in tea. That's why you guys should watch like the whole video, so that in case I did some mistake, you can see. You can hear when I'm correcting them. See, this has busted, but sometimes I like when they are busted like this, but not too much, because if it's open, then the oil gets inside. So that was about 3 minutes and they are ready. I started with the bigger ones, so let's see the smaller ones, because I want you guys to see. So it's good to sprinkle the oil on top so that it helps to raise them. It's like to speed the process. Already, you guys can see it's already puffy. Plus the oil is hot, so they are cooking at the same time on the top. Once they have their resin, I'm gonna say fufuka. thin. Once they have risen, that means the bottom part is laid ready. So 1.5 minutes or 2 minutes, then they'll be ready. Now they are ready after 3 minutes. So I'm going to repeat the whole process for this, all of this, and then I will be right back when I'm done. I don't know if you guys can see, this is a very, very slow process, and the more you cook on a low heat, like medium, they turn out so well. You guys see? I'll show you guys on the lighter camera where there's light. So otherwise, if you cook too fast, if you cook on high heat, this is what you will get. This was my first attempt, yet I have been making mandazi for so many years, but still they burnt because the heat was too much. So you don't want to do that, and I have like 10 in the dustbin. Our mahamri is ready. Oh my god, they look so beautiful. So I'm gonna serve our tea masala. Is our ready mahamri and tea masala, looking all perfect. Let's see inside. Sorry, I'm holding the camera, but you guys can see. I'm gonna taste this. So we have this that is a little bit hollow inside but still thick, and we have this hollow and thicker. We have like this, you see, like they're well cooked inside. I'm sorry, my hands, my parara. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and share with your friends. And I want to dedicate this video to my mommy now because it's inspired by her. I learned this Mahamri Chai pilau from her. So thank you so much guys, and see you in the next video. And if you're my neighbor, I have so much Mahamri here, you can pass by and have some. See you.